So I am in Karachi's Seaview McDonald's over here, and I'm gonna go in with cousins of mine, and it's a beautiful location, and we're gonna review McDonald's for you guys here in Pakistan.
Big Mac,
मेरा नहीं आ
loaded
गया
fries, me.
ओ लोडेड
Yep.
मैं समझ पा रहे होंगे लोडेड फ्राइज
पानी की बोतल भी मांगी थी.
हाँ दो ली थी ना तुमने
ओके, इसको खोल के तो दिखाओ.
Oh, masala fries?
ये लोडेड फ्राइज
इनकी large size है? ये मेरे का small size भी नहीं.
403 नहीं है 405
दिखाना. फोर 404 कौन सा है? 405.
कैप्शन में यही है.
पानी की बोतल दे दो.
अभी आएंगे ना मेरे
Alright.
लोडेड लेके
What are you having?
Double cheeseburger
It's a double cheeseburger.
and a McChicken as well.
All right.
It's good.
What you expect?
Needs like mayo or like some white dressing on it. It's just ketchup tastes weird.
Okay. How are these loaded fries?
they just have chaat masala and mayo on it or garlic I'm not sure if it's mayo or garlic mayo
Please have your spicy chicken.
Yes.
Eat it.
Okay.
and review it
Okay.
he probably had it before
Oh,
Too much lettuce.
yo. Dami it.
2 water million और mayo की पैकेट
Nice.
It's good. It's not. Alright, so I'm
Okay,
having a
some.
Big Mac for the first time here in Pakistan. Has 2 patties. This looks like the one that they have in the US. The US does have an extra piece of cheese on the top level as well. This one does not. So let's see how this tastes.
It's a nice bite.
So much lettuce.
What do you think?
It's pretty good. It is lacking some like ketchup. I wish it was a little bit more saucy. They do have some Big Mac sauce in here, but I wish they had some more. Or the beef is a little bit dry. But it is McDonald's and then the fries. But overall it's really good. Alright, here is the spicy McChicken. It's available usually overseas and in the US. So it's like just lettuce, mayo, chicken. Bite of this, a big bite so she doesn't want more.
I hate you how is it
It's pretty good. I like the spice level. Although I do prefer beef over chicken, so I'm gonna stick with my Big Mac.
is it like Chick-fil-A
Similar to Chick-fil-A, yeah. It's not that bad. Alright, so I ordered the chocolate sundae here at McDonald's in Karachi, and I'm gonna compare it to the one that we have in the US and see if the taste is similar or the same, or very different. And I'm sure there might be some difference in the quality of the ice cream. So just the ice cream by itself, I could tell the difference. The ice cream is much more richer. It tastes a little bit different. It tastes more authentic, more real. Whereas in the ice cream in the U.S. is more watered down, and it looks it tastes like it's powdered ice cream in the U.S. So this one is definitely much better, much tastier, more richer. Overall, I do like it. Now I'm gonna try the hot fudge. The hot fudge has the exact same taste as you'd expect in the U.S. Yeah, overall it's good.